Hi guys, this first activity we're going to do is Google Spreadsheet, and you can start by going to sheets.google.com or from your Google Drive. And we're going to first retitle this, How Many Skittles Are in the Bag? And we're going to start in cell A1, that's where the row and the column intersect. And we're going to put in there our colors of Skittles. So when you open your snack size bag of Skittles, you have different color options. And this is where we're going to record the different colors that we get. So let's go ahead and put our colors: red, orange, yellow, green, and purple. And then over in column B is going to be the amount that we actually get from each pack. And so your students could put that they get for red, I'm just putting in random numbers here, and the amounts. So to make a chart, they first click in A1 and drag their mouse all the way down to B6, and then they let up off of, sorry, my dictionary is coming up. Then they let up off of that and then insert chart. Make sure all the rows are highlighted. That's where students really struggle. They accidentally ends up looking like something like this. They click like half of it, but you'll want to make sure your students are really clicking down and dragging and then letting up at B6. So then they go to insert chart, and you'll see that a pie chart will come up. We'll want to first change the title of that. And I'm going to change it to Skittles colors in snack size. So, and this is just for one bag. So if you're doing multiple bags, you can of course do a bar chart or a column chart, whatever's more fitting. So obviously this is not purple, so your students will love this part, changing the colors to correspond with the actual experiment and the actual colors of Skittles. So here are our Skittles colors and our beautiful, colorful chart. These look so great hanging up in the classroom. Hope you guys have just as much fun as we did with this activity. Thanks.